No one can make you feel inferior without your consent.
Do what you feel in your heart to be right, for you'll be criticized anyway. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of the dreams. Never allow a person to tell you no who doesn't have the power to say yes. It takes as much energy to wish as it does to plan. We do not have to become heroes overnight. Just a step at a time, meeting each thing that comes up, seeing it as not as dreadful as it appears, discovering that we have the strength to stare it down. I am who I am today because of the choices I made yesterday. Nothing has ever been achieved by the person who says, "It can't be done." You not only have a right to be an individual, you have a responsibility. With the new day comes new strength. It is better to light a candle than curse the darkness. The purpose of life is to live it, to taste experience to the utmost, to reach out eagerly and without fear for newer and richer experience. You can often change your circumstances by changing your attitude. You have to accept whatever comes, and the only important thing is that you meet it with the best you have to give. Life was meant to be lived, and curiosity must be kept alive. One must never, for whatever reason, turn his back on life.
The giving of love is an education in itself.
Remember always that you not only have the right to be an individual, you have an obligation to be one. Life must be lived and curiosity kept alive. One must never, for whatever reason, turn his back on life. Since you get more joy out of giving joy to others, you should put a good deal of thought into the happiness that you are able to give. A woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong it is until it's in hot water.